everyone, this is Howard with Titan Vinyl. Today we are going to introduce ESD vinyl flooring. We are producing two types of ESD flooring, ESD tile and ESD sheet. Most of their raw materials are the same, like polyvinyl, chloride, resin, conductive materials, stabilizers, plasticizers. Most of them also have permanent conductivity. Most we produce is conductive type flooring. Electronic resistance is 24 to 6 ohm. Let me test it and show you guys. The result is 25 ohm. We can also produce a static-dissipative type with 10 to 6 to 9 ohm, but not widely used. Then, what are the differences between these two flooring? Which one can benefit your project? So let's go on. First of all, you can tell the obvious difference with the names. ESD tile is in tile form. The popular size can be 600mm, 900mm, 24 inches, 36 inches. ESD sheet is in roller form. The size can be 20 meters length and 2 meters wide. The thickness can be 2, 2.5 and 3 mm. Tile and sheet raw materials are almost the same, but their production machines and processes are totally different. Tile is vulcanizing process, while sheet is belt process. So their pattern styles are different. Sheet patterns are more like homogeneous flooring pattern. You can scan the QR code to view our via colors. Production also decides the implementation of conductivity. Tile utilize the conductive network formed by the interface of plastic particles, and the sheet inserts conductive carbon granules throughout the whole wall thickness with a conductive backing attached. Both tile and sheet are homogeneous structure, but the sheet has better wear resistance. Tile wear resistance is P grade, and the sheet can reach a higher grade as T. These two flooring, tile and sheet, are both widely used in clean rooms, workshops of electronic products, hospital operation rooms, and other places with anti-static requirements. Their function is also the same. Then, which one should we choose? Popularity is one factor. ESD sheet manufacturers are mainly located in Europe. This makes sheet more popular in Europe and surrounding areas. ESD tile manufacturers are mainly located in Asia and America, so tile is more popular in Asia and other areas. Price is another factor. Take 2mm as example. Sheet price can be at least 50% more expensive than tile price. With our experience, big projects like electronic products workshops prefer ESD tile. Except for better price, tile is also easier to maintain and replace. Small area like hospital operation rooms prefer ESD sheet. Sheet colors are more decorative. Antibacterial performance is also better. So today, here we have a brief introduction to get you informed about ESD vinyl flooring. Just contact us if you have any questions at all. See you next time.